get right into this video, I just want to say thank you for everyone who decided to subscribe. I know a lot of you are here because of my fenugreek oil recipe, and you know, I thought it's only fair for me to give you an update. That video was 5 months ago, and I just kind of want to show you how far, sorry, this car's passing. Alright, I just kind of want to show you how far my hair has been able to get just by using that oil once a week. So real quick before we get into that, I'm going to let you know basically what my method has been lately. So the first, a lifetime of my hair is usually 1 week, but because of the extra length I've been seeing, I've stretched that week into like a week and a half. So like a week will go by and then I'll wash my hair on Wednesday if I can. So a week and a half to 2 weeks. Let me just keep it 100 with you guys. Real sip of coffee real quick. Okay, yes. So like a week and a half to 2 weeks, I'll wash my hair. So, and that's because it's been cold and my hair's got a little bit longer, so I need breaks in between caring for it, basically. So what'll happen is I'll wash my hair, and then 3-4 days, and then I'll do my method obviously with the deep conditioning and the leave-in and all that. And then by 3rd, 4th day hair, I'll need to go in and re-moisturize my hair. So 3rd, 4th day hair, I'll go in with my fenugreek spritz, and that spritz is, I've done a recipe on it. You can, I'll try to leave the link right here so that you can go see that. But yeah, I'll do my fenugreek spritz and I'll spray it right on my scalp, just like this. I'll go right up under here and I'll spray it, spray, and then I'll rub it in and moisturize it into my scalp. And then I'll take either straight Jamaican black castor oil or Dew Grow or even the fenugreek coconut oil, and I'll put that right on my scalp. And then I'll wrap my hair in a bun and it'll be good. So it'll be good for a little while. Then maybe 2 days later, I'll need to wet the length of my hair. So when I wet the length of my hair, without washing it, I'll take that spray again and I'll just spray up and down the hair shaft, squeeze it in, and then I'll go in with the fenugreek oil that we're gonna get into that was weird. We're gonna get into an update about that now. So this is the fenugreek oil. It is pretty much done. It is solid because it's February in New York, February 18th, and yeah, this is done. So what's gonna happen now is I'm gonna discard this, and I may put different herbs. I may put henna in here, I may put amla in here, I may do a combination with the fenugreek and the amla and the henna again, but basically this gets discarded now. But let me just go in and show you what this oil has done for my hair in 5 months. So I'll try to do like a side-by-side with my last video, but there's a chair behind me. But this is what my hair is looking like now. This is 5 months of hair growth. And sorry for that sound. And my hair is about right. Let's hold it back up. It's about here. So that's the back of my hair. Let me show you. And the sides of my hair has always been like, those are what I'm trying to focus on growing. So I'll massage a lot right here during the day. coffee break real quick. Sorry guys, I'm addicted to iced coffee. But yeah, so I'll spray down the length of the hair and I'll use this. And it's solid, but if you take it, you know, just the oil part, it'll melt. It'll melt right in your hand. So you can use that. But I thought it would just be, you know, fair to come up and show you guys an update. Right now we're at 152 subscribers, which may not seem like a lot, but I am so thankful. Obviously when I started this journey, I was at 0, and enough people found that video, and 152, you know, decided they wanted to subscribe, and I am super grateful for that. So yeah, I just thought it was fair, you know, to give you guys an update. So here is the length of my hair from the front. It's pretty long. We got pretty long. I feel like it got a decent amount of growth. And you can always make your products, and you know, as you're using them, use them to track time, because sometimes time gets away from you and you're like, but my hair didn't grow, You know, look at from the beginning of when you use the product to the end, and you can kind of see if it's helping your hair or not. So that, for one reason, is why I don't consider myself a curl junkie, because I will use one product from the beginning to the end just to see, just to judge how well it works for my hair. More updates on that soon. I'm using a different deep conditioner. Spoiler alert, it's macadamia deep conditioner. I'll let you guys know how that's working out from beginning to end. But before that, I was using Shea Moisture's Strengthen and Restore. It's the yellow. I'm pretty sure you guys seen it on here. If you're seeing this video, I'm pretty sure you've seen that deep conditioner. But I made sure I used that conditioner from beginning to end, and it really helped my hair. So that works well. Yeah. So if you guys have any more questions, look at these. Questions for me about this journey, please leave them in the comments below. I will be so happy to answer any of you guys' questions. I'm sneezing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, because you know it really helps out the channel. But if you don't do that, then just thank you for watching. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon.